You know the Maverick? Modern day superhero. Past villain. Today I'm here to talk to you about 5 words. Love. Compassion. Understanding. Empathy. And forgiveness. Let me share a story then. A story about Scappy Doo. Scappy Doo. Scappy Doo is a mongrel pedigree poodle. We're living at the backyard of a master. His master. Scappy Doo always in the backyard and he look outside and he say to himself, say, I wonder what's the outside like. What's beyond the fence. And they always just want to explore the vast outside. You know? So one day Scappy Doo say, you know what? You know, so I'm going to dig a hole and see what I go on the next side. So he dig the hole and went to the next side. While he's up on the next side, some dogs start rush Scappy. Then he end up in a vehicle of warfare. Then rain start tear. It's just a bag of foolishness start appear and Scappy say, well, you know, say, maybe over here is not the best place today. Better I go home. So while on his way home now, Scappy find himself in a whole heap of unforeseen circumstances. So Scappy finally reach home now. When Scappy reach home, he run go in and say, yeah, master! Master hold on upon Scappy and say, here I go on Scappy. Put that chain around your neck. Put on a dark collar upon Scappy. And that about say make him wash Scappy, feed Scappy, show Scappy some love and compassion. And just slap on a dark tap on Scappy and say, yo, Scappy, I punish you, go outside. But why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because in a lot of situations we find persons go off course, persons that explore. And instead of show them say, alright, I understand, say, oh, you want knowledge, you just seek knowledge, you just say, explore the unknown. We punish them for that, you know. And sometimes all they need is some understanding, a little love, some compassion, empathy, among other things. The Maverick, modern day superhero, past villain, I ask if you sometimes just express some understanding. I'm out.